So we'll have the revision and we'll check what are all the core points you must know in the mentorship examination. I hope you have received the timetable or you will receive the timetable. I think the exam is going to be happen very shortly. Hope in next week itself or on 10th something they're having the exam. You can check with the COE exact date of examination. And in this examination we are having for 70 marks. So there are 3 sections, section A, B and C. So you can see total questions comes around 22 questions. In your LMS, there are 24 topics. Out of 24 topics, there will be questions from 22 topics. Because you are having more number of questions. So understood the concept. So it means that you have to read everything. Okay. So according to the section A, there will be 10 questions. You have to answer any 7. The marks is only 2. So be clear that it is 2 marks question. So you need not write more. Usually students, what they are doing, they are writing more in the 2 mark question. Then when it comes to the 12 mark questions, they are unable to write. You are already having the experience of writing the exam. So I hope you know well. When you are planning for the examination, 2 marks question, you can answer in a very simple manner, not exceeding 5 lines. That is half page only. If you are utilizing the full page in our examination sheet, use the half page. That's all. That is essential for the 2 marks question. Simple thing, who are called drone entrepreneurs, who are called the impact entrepreneurs or techno entrepreneurs. But the question is purely based upon outcome-based education. I hope you know that one in your department. You have been oriented under the outcome-based education. So the verb used in the question will be different. Say, for example, analyze the traits of the entrepreneur. That means what are all the traits of the entrepreneur? Simple thing. Okay? Justify the purpose of burn rate or justify the purpose of identifying the minimum viable product. In such case, it shows only the meaning of minimum viable product. Don't worry about any other thing because some of the students are confused and they are writing differently. In case of midterm exam, all the questions carry same marks, so no issues. But here it is not like that. You have to follow the guidelines. So better you can write up to half page for the section A. It will test the basic understanding. Okay. So all the topics indirectly you have to give importance. So there will be questions from all the topics because there are 22 questions the examiner has to set. Think about that one. Okay. Coming to the section B, there will be 7 questions. So you have to answer any 4 only. So when you are answering that one, this may go up to a page. Okay? Because it carries 5 marks, so you can write the answers minimum 1 page answers. Maximum it should not exceed 1.5 pages. Restrict your answer neatly. And here also same the OBE pattern, that is Bloom's taxonomy. Are using, don't worry about that one. The questions will be based upon the pinpoint or classify the types of entrepreneurs, enumerate the process involved in idea generation These are all the types. It will come under the section B. Identify the few skill council sectors in India. These are all the things you are asked to identify or classify, or in some cases, you have to even justify, pinpoint the role of minimum viable product, or you may be asked with the help of the operational feasibility. In such case, restrict your answer to maximum 1.5 page, minimum 1 page. So that is in the B section. But what we are expecting is at least one example you have to write. Try to give practical example. You will get full marks. Okay. We have discussed a number of live examples also, starting from the case study of very old and golden case of Dosawala. We have discussed it. Even yesterday, I sent a nice news about the development of entrepreneurs in India. Case of India, once again, the startup is booming in Bangalore. Okay. So try to give at least one example, because if you see in your WhatsApp, there are a number of news are there about the entrepreneurs. Okay, so best idea, you can give one example in section B. Whatever may be the question, say for example, there's a question on Make in India scheme. Mention at least one news regarding the Make in India as an example. We have discussed a number of things from Make in India. Number of entrepreneurs form part of the Make in India scheme. Try to mention at least one. It is not available in the LMS. So my suggestion, they will give up to 4 marks easily. The 5 marks, if you want to get, you are able to write the example. Okay. If there's a question on operational feasibility, we have discussed the ThyroCare, how the ThyroCare has been created. You can give the example. Even if there's a question about the traits of the entrepreneur, give numerous examples for each and every stage. We have discussed Tata Group, Ratan Tata, and the Ambani's group. Even the Microsoft creator and founder, Bill Gates. You can give each one example in case of section B. Okay. Section C, it's a very descriptive one. You can go up to 3 to 4 pages maximum. Restrict to 3 pages, or if you are unable to restrict, go up to 4 pages. Don't go beyond that level, it is waste. So maximum 3 pages. You can write, usually you are writing for 4 or 5 pages. Try to restrict that one regarding the number of pages in the section C. So my suggestion, you can write clearly about what will be the answer. Here also, give one example and justify with the big question. And definitely one question will be from application side. You may be asked to prepare a business plan. That is the operational plan, your dream business. You may have a dream in future, not now. So in case of your dream future, you are going to justify the answer. What is your business idea? How you are going to execute your business idea? You have to mention what is your marketing capacity, what is your production capacity, or what will be your financials. Try to mention the marketing side, financial side, technology side also. How you will going to start your business. It never means that you are going to start immediately the business. We expect you to start in future. You have to work in an organization, then only you are able to find out how we can proceed with the other things. Okay. So in case of section C, I'll try to draw one diagrammatic representation. I think some of the students are very good in diagram, but I have not seen the diagrams in the midterm examination. It is also equivalent to filling the pages. You can fill number of pages, but in my view, if you are representing everything in a diagrammatic manner, it will be very easy to understand. Okay, say for example, if there's a big question on how you are going to estimate the demand, there are a number of demand estimation stages. At least you can put a diagram in the beginning. Demand estimation, these you can put your arrows, and these are all the stages in the demand estimation. You can draw a circle and post it inside. These are all the stages. Likewise, in case of section C, in addition to an example, try to bring some picture. Picture in the sense what you are going to say, mention in the form of a picture. Simple thing. What are all the schemes of government of India? We have discussed yesterday. You are writing different schemes. At least you can portray in a one box the schemes provided by government of India. In the middle, inside you can write all the schemes. Simple thing. Try to present your paper in a different style. Usually section C, by seeing your diagram, the examiner will know what is your strength of answering. Yeah. Even if there's a business plan, you are telling my dream plan is going to start a new retail shop of clothing. At least you can put a box, my dream, my infrastructure. My friends are doing that one, my father is engaging. That is all the strength you have to mention. Inside the box, my SWOT analysis you can put. What are all your strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat? Simply you can put your SWOT as a diagram for that one. That will create a good impression. These are all the things I am telling apart from LMS. Everybody knows you are going to write or study from the LMS or the traditional books. But when we wish to evaluate the papers, the examiner will expect something, your presentation style. The olden style is writing thing, then you can use different color pencils. But nowadays it is not like that. By seeing the image, the examiner is able to understand your knowledge. Okay. So my opinion, try to draw at least one diagram nicely to portray all those things. What we have discussed, different stages of entrepreneurial process. You can write and draw, nothing wrong in that one. Okay. So these are the suggestions regarding the examination pattern. That is, it is for 70 marks out of 70 marks. Section A is for 14 marks. There are 10 questions. You have to answer any 7, 2 marks. So try to complete within half page. In a page, you can answer 2 questions for section A. Section B is for 5 marks. There will be 7 questions. You have to answer any 4. So maximum you can write 1.5 page, minimum 1 page. Restrict your answers. Here you have to give the one example. Highlight that example. Because you have read a number of things in the WhatsApp group. Section C, you have to answer 3 questions. Better if you can write the section C in the beginning also. That depends upon you. And in case of section C, try to draw a small diagram. You are having all the pencils, everything. So immediately you can draw and present that one. That is my idea. Along with another example, try to draw some figures to represent that one. Or if there is no images are there, you yourself can create an diagrammatic representation of what you are going to answer. These are all the things from the examination side, that is regarding the question paper. Any doubt in the question paper, you can ask. Then we will move on to the LMS. What are the questions we will discuss. Any doubt from the questions, question pattern? Yes. No doubt. Okay. Then I will move on to the LMS. Yes. Whether you are able to see the LMS? What happened? Students, you are there?
Yes, sir, we are able to see the LMS.
Okay. Okay, students, you can see the LMS. That is in case of LMS, as I already mentioned, you can see in the left hand side, there are only 27 plus 1, only 28 topics. Only 28 topics are there. So out of 28 topics, there will be 22 questions. See that one. So how much importance you have to give for that one? Try to understand all these concepts so that definitely either at least in 2 marks, it will be there. Okay. So my suggestion, you can click in the left hand side. You can see first topic, that is entrepreneurship and ventureship. The purpose it is given, that is the what are all the steps involved in the ventureship we have discussed. There are 6 phases. It is also explained later on. So usually, if this is for 5 marks, try to give explanation along with one example. In case of this venture creation, we have already discussed the example of the Ola. So you can write the same example, nothing wrong in that one. Okay. Then the entrepreneurship traits we have discussed. You can write any number of entrepreneurship traits because you have discussed these Bansals, Flipkart, how the Bansals created, then Ola story. Number of stories we have discussed in the form of news clippings also. So at least you try to write one example. Even the Prem Ganapati story of Dosavala, we started with that one. So here in case of entrepreneurship traits, usually you are writing the entrepreneurship should have a mission, innovation, all these things you are writing, but most of them fail to mention the example. That is the minus point from your side. Otherwise, some of you might have got 30 out of 30 even in the midterm examination. We have discussed in the classroom. The classroom teachings are also available there. You can see the Dosawala story as well as the Sachin Bansal story. So if this question has been asked, give the example, either this one or that one, or any venture. You can give the example of Prem Ganapati from the first slide, or from the second slide, you can give the example from the Flipkart's Sachin Bansals. Okay. Try to give. Most of them are in the video lessons. Okay, likewise in case of types of entrepreneurship, understand the meaning of that one. It may be in any one question, maybe for 2 marks. Okay, usually in case of 2 marks, there will be the questions who are called, that is justify the purpose of the techno entrepreneurship or entrepreneurs, like that. So it's just you can read and understand the meaning, that's all. We have discussed a number of examples, so you can read and understand, and you can, when you are preparing, identify 1 or 2 examples. But if it is for section A, you need not write any examples. But for section B, you have to give nice examples. Okay, so some of the examples are given there in the video lectures. That is what we have discussed inside the class. So better you can see that one. And usually there will be at least 1 or 2 questions apart from the LMS. It is for your testing, since we are having more choice. Say for example, what is the difference between entrepreneur and entrepreneurship? To test whether you understand. Okay, out of thinking how many students you are having. So all the section A, B, and C, there will be 1 question from the application side. So never assume that all the questions will be in almost only 1 question, not exceeding that one. Don't worry. Because we in our campus, we decided like that. Since we are giving importance, from the video lectures, there will be 1 questions. Okay. That is why we posted the video lectures. In section A also 1 question is from the video lecture. And section B also 1 question from video lecture. Section C also. The purpose is whether you are reading the video lectures or not. That is the application side, how we decided. Okay. Likewise, entrepreneurial process, very important thing. We have discussed the nice case study of different persons. Then Azim Premji case we have discussed. So try to mention the steps clearly and justify with the Azim Premji. We have discussed nicely all those things, even the types we have discussed. Okay. Then the impact entrepreneurs. Who are the called impact entrepreneurs? We have started with the nice story of the Rose Bazaar. Then from the class discussion, you can give some examples. Even the Ola Oya are said to be the highly created impact entrepreneurs. These people created a good value for the society, so they are called as the impact entrepreneurs. So if there is a question, simply you can write. But if it is for 2 marks, mention the meaning and just an example, tell Ola and Oyo. But in practical side, these are all having very good values, because when you start your business, you must know the impact entrepreneurs, how they created a new value to the business. That is why we discussed the Rose Bazaar example. Nice thing is the Rose Bazaar, how these people planned, how they created. It is a nice story. You can recall back from our lecture series. Okay. Then what are all the activities of the venturers? It is quite common. We have discussed the example of the Bhavesh Agarwal, the icon who disrupted the disruption. We have discussed nicely the Bhavesh Agarwal story. This is the person, even now he is disrupting the entire India by introducing that electric scooter. You can see that is the powerful person, very good idea. So when you are writing these 5 crore activities, try to mention at least at the end, what are all the 5 core activities done by the Bhavesh Agarwal to gain impact among the society. We have discussed the very important plus point of this Bhavesh Agarwal is the communication. He has defined a new method of communication. According to him, learn different language. Use that one to convince the people. That is the communication. Whatever the person will understand, speak according to them. Speak in their own language and attract them. That is how he disrupted the disruption. Okay? Then types of startup companies. Of course, we also discussed each and everything with one example. If you go through the video series, you can see, you might have seen numerous examples we have discussed. You can see in that one. You can see, I think, yes, when we are discussing all those things, you can see that one, all these things will be there. So, go through this video lesson. You can find out very good examples. If it is in 2 marks question, no need for example. Otherwise, in case of section B, you will get maximum 4 marks. 1 mark, it is implied that you have to write the example. Okay, that is why I'm telling, easiest way of going through the examination is sleep well. Before going to the sleep, see the video in very fast manner. You can drag because you are having the capacity to read everything and nicely. Okay. Then idea generation. Without studying this question, you need not go for exam. Because this is very important for any student life. How you are going to generate the idea. We have discussed this compare, opposite thinking, brainstorming. You must know, even though you are going to start your business by 2035 or 2040, you must know. By the time, at least if YouTube is there, you can go through and you can recall our lessons. How you can create an idea. You must think in a reverse manner. In my view, analog thinking is nice for the present level of idea generation. Okay. I hope our Tenzin will be benefited because he is very much interested in doing business. Whether Tenzin is here? I think, yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, good Tenzin. Even today I talked with your class tutor. He is having more affection with you. So far, even I discussed with psychology faculty, all those things, everybody will tell about their students, but your class tutor is too much. He is asking about you nicely. That is the KJC affection. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good, Tenzin. Every time his class tutor will ask me, sir, Tenzin is a very good boy. He will submit, he will do all these activities. Sir, don't worry about him. A nice thing. Good, Tenzin. So I like his tutor. How much affection Tenzin is with his tutor. Good. So this thing will helpful for you, this idea generation. Okay. And that is why I'm telling, without studying this thing, don't go for examination. We have discussed a number of things in that one. And idea, we have discussed in 3 different classes. That is why I have given more importance for the idea generation. Use that one. So these are all the phases we have discussed slightly. Then coming to the skill council. At present, there are a number of skill councils there. Why we are going to study that one, you can find out at least 2 or 3 reasons. Because in theoretical part, I have given very less item, but here I have given more in that one. So at least try to understand. Here is the Make in India video. So this is a very good example that I already told. One question will come in which there won't be more importance in concept, but from video. Try to give importance for that one because the entire India is moving towards the Make in India scheme. Definitely, even if you are working in an organization, these people will work for Make in India scheme. Very nice scheme. You will get the fund. The only thing you are able to market your ideas. That is very nice thing. So go through the Make in India. Then the feasibility analysis. This is for the 12-mark questions. We have discussed what is the meaning of feasibility. So go through this one for the big questions. You may be asked to prepare a feasibility or a business plan, whether you are having that idea. So try to give importance for the feasibility for that one, but it is for 2 marks or 5 marks questions. 2 marks question means you can simply write what is its meaning. If it comes for 5 marks, give some example. Okay, we have discussed all those things with operational feasibility. In our discussion, it will be there. Then the SWOT. Anything you are able to write for the SWOT. That is your proposed dream. Because definitely these are the common questions. Budgeting usually it is having least importance. Yes, business model. What are different types of business model? Secondary business model. You can study, we have discussed at the end, I think, this week beginning, last week beginning, we have discussed this business model. Each one we have given the examples. So you can go through the nice examples we have discussed at the end only. So all the examples are available both in LMS as well as in our video. So this is for the big questions. Okay. Test marketing usually for 5 marks questions. 5 marks question, you must know. The example here on a British example has been given, but we have discussed the test marketing with Hindustan Unilever, how they introduced the bamboo stick toothbrush. Instead of using the plastic toothbrush, they are discussed with the example of bamboo. So if you write that example, you'll get full 5 marks. Same thing in case of minimum viable products. For all these things are for 5 marks questions. So we have discussed elaborately this minimum viable product. That shows that it is very important thing. Because in practical life, it is very important. Whether the minimum viable product is there or not, you have to use the minimum viable product. Even in case of your own business life or your own life, you must know whether this is enough or not. Prototype, another 5 marks questions. What is the purpose of prototype? You must have a dream. If you are going to start your own business, your own lab, you should have a dream of your lab. That is the prototype. So give importance for that one. Then at least 1 or 2 methods in demand forecasting, you can give importance. Fundraising, yes. Then venture capital, another 5 marks. You have to give importance. What are the stages in venture capital? Even yesterday we have discussed beginning the seed funding, angel investors, 1, 2, 3 like that. They are having the different stages in venture capital. So try to find out the stages in the venture capital. First stage, startup stage, third phase, last phase. Okay. Then this is not of too much importance. Then coming to the band rate. We have discussed with the help of some of the nice case study of the one movie also. I think Surarai Potru. Okay. But try to give the example of Captain Gobinath when there's a question of band rate in 5 marks question. Okay. Practical life you have to give. Break-even analysis, it is for 2 or 5 marks. We have discussed very long back, meaning payback period also. Yes, then the government of India support. what you have discussed last. Very nice thing. Try to find out at least 4 schemes and give importance for that one, so that if it is asked for 5 marks or 12 marks, you are able to write what are all the schemes. The scheme itself is a live example, so you need not write the example once again, because all the schemes from the Karnataka state government or from central government, Startup India, Make in India, all these are all the very good schemes of the government. Try to study at least 4. Even if it is asked for 12 marks, explain that 4 only. So these are all the things we are having that one. In addition to that, for understanding, because some cases angel investors question may be there, which is within the venture capital. I have given only for reading this meaning also. Okay. Some cases you can go through this PPT, that is the final one, the business plan, because operational plan, what I have given, we have divided and studied. That is why at the end slide, I have given the business plan, because we have discussed the operational plan as a marketing plan, financial plans, all these things. But here, everything is in the single slide. You can go and see that one. Okay. So this is all about the LMS. So I hope you are able to go through our LMS neatly and you are able to answer. I hope for all the students, now the LMS is open. So you can go through that one. Any doubt from the LMS, now you can raise. No doubt. What happened? Okay. Then we'll move on to the next one. So I have sent you 2 things. Try to complete within 2 nights. One is your post test. Don't worry about the marks. I wish to test only your understanding, because how far you learned my subject. So it is only a personal check. It is not used for anywhere. So don't you, I already given the marks, including the biotechnology students. Even today, I think science paper I corrected and given the marks to the controller of examination. So you need not work. I have given the marks fully to the controller of examinations. Okay. So that test is only for how far you understand the practical examples. I have given some of the names and you have to tick that one. Try to complete the post test. This is only for my understanding about you. Then the feedback form I have shared with you. That also you can complete, and that feedback form is also confidential one. You won't disclose anybody. That is the confidential. Open feedback now you can give. That is the open feedback form. So in my view, once you completed, my suggestion, that is why today I sent the news like that. Even yesterday's news, it was very good. The new startups are coming and it is booming now in India. You have to join in and work well, understand the concept of your work environment. Then after obtaining the saturation stage, at least 5 years or 6 years or 10 years, then you can go for the startup as a side business for 3 or 4 years. After that, you can get, because business income will be very high compared to any job, including the highest position in India. Okay? In business, your income will be too much. All the video lessons are available in YouTube. So I hope you will get benefit with that one. Not now, at present, in future. Yes. Now it is your turn. You can give your feedbacks. We are having only less time, I think 6 minutes. After that, you can switch on your camera. We can take a photograph, because I have not seen you personal. Even now, I am unable to recognize you if I am walking, if you are coming in front of me. Okay. And this I will put up in the social media today. And it is for our record. because we also need for the NAC purpose. Who are all the students studied this ventureship? So it is for photographies for our record. Okay. Now you can give your opinion and suggestion about the class, because when we started, you are given the suggestion why you selected the ventureship. I don't know whether your aim has been satisfied. Don't worry, your internal marks has been already given. Yes, anybody you can give. We'll start. Who is going to give the feedback? Why? What happened?
So,
Yes, Anupama, start.
I think the best part about the course was how many examples you included and the way that the concept clarity came from like already existing startups. And I think it helps a lot to understand the concept and also remember it for a long time. Yeah.
Okay, ma. Good, Anupama. You have to learn that one also, based upon that one. Next, Hepzibah. I think from computer science, you are the only one student there. Hepzibah, you are there. Yes, Ismat, you can switch on and you can tell. Or you are in Ismat, you are there. Then from language journalism, Kirtika. Okay, Ismat. Kirtika.
Yes, sir, I'm here,
Yes,
sir.
you can give your feedback.
Yes, sir. So,
Yes, you can
Uh,
unmute.
yes, sir. So I think what I loved about the class is that every time, like every week, you would send like practical approaches to us, as in like how we had to present in class, like coming up with the failures of a startup, or especially the SWOT analysis and everything. So that was one thing good. Like we got to experience and learn more about the startup working culture and everything. And especially it was good because through the presentations.
Yes, good. You are the only one student from your class in ventureship? Yes. Okay, good, Kritika. Then others from usually Bhumika, Gauri, Kushi Pallavi. Yes. They are all there. No, usually Ramya will give. Ramya, where you are? Yes, now you'll go for bioscience. Anne Maria, you are there. Anne Maria Francis. What happened? Then Tenzin will give. Tenzin. Tenzin, you can unmute and give your feedback. What happened? No feedbacks?
Oh, sir.
Yes, Tenzin, come on.
Oh, actually, this course is nice. I mean, this course is worthwhile. But in my point of view, it's not my feedback and all, but I just trying to suggest that later on, if there's some like practical and all, then it will be better. Like to conduct some phase by a particular group or individual people who can sell their own goods or a food product in our college campus. Like that way, it will make practice to them. No, that's it, sir.
Oh, okay, good, Tenzin. It's a nice suggestion. Previously, we used to organize that one. Ventureship students, they have to organize one fair and they can sell a product. We will allot one place in nearby canteen. But due to these COVID restrictions, we stopped all those things. So for 3 years back, before this COVID, we had that practice. One activity we used to have one day I think 2 days we used to have. But this time we stopped after this COVID. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good, Tenzin. Yes, any other students? From computer science, only Epsiba is there. Epsiba? Okay, students, I think we can wind up the class. Now you can switch on your camera. I hope you are ready. Switch on your camera so that nobody is there. Yes, don't worry. Kritiya is there. Good. Anupama is there. What about others? Switch on your camera. This is for our NAG purpose. Usually Jude sir and Gopakumar sir will ask. Yes, Ramya is there. Tenzin, you can also switch on your camera. You'll see. Good. What about others? What happened? Wait. Oh, this recording is going on. Okay, students, thank you. We will meet virtually, and I hope in future you are going to be the good entrepreneurs. With this, we'll conclude the class. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.